consider seeking shelter inside a building. A severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. for... Severe thunderstorm warning for west central Georgetown County in northeastern South Carolina, south central Williamsburg County in northeastern South Carolina until 7 p.m. At 6:23 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near St. Stephen, or 16 miles south of King Street, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Trio, Warsaw, Earl, and Andrews. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please send your reports of hail and slash or wind damage, including trees or large limbs downed, by calling the National Weather Service office in Wilmington at 1-800-697-3901. The following is a special weather statement for the following counties in South Carolina.